The 911 Turbo S is a living legend that continues to push the limits of what a coupe can achieve. Electrification. Hybrid and fully electric coupes are entering the market. Lightweight materials, carbon fiber and aluminum dominate for speed and efficiency. Luxury interiors, more personalization, high-quality materials, and advanced infotainment. Performance balance. Blending track-level speed with everyday comfort. Global influence. European dominance meets Japanese innovation. Coupes in 2025 aren't just fast, they're smart, sustainable, and luxurious. By 2030 we can expect coupes to embrace solid-state batteries, AI-assisted driving, and even lighter aerodynamics. The line between supercar and luxury coupe will blur, offering drivers both extreme performance and uncompromised comfort. Luxury sports coupes are not only shaping roads today but also paving the way for the thrilling cars of tomorrow. This script is structured for a 10-minute video on NVIDIA AI. HL Teachby LMQ and ultra-luxury SUVs of 2025, wheel and concept cars shaping the future. In 2025, luxury sports coupes stand as a perfect balance between high-speed performance, artistic design, and advanced technology. These two-door machines are not just about speed, they are about prestige, individuality, and a thrilling driving experience. In this video, we'll explore the most iconic luxury sports coupes of 2025, looking at their power, style, and innovation. Engine, 3.9L twin-turbo V8, power, 612 horsepower, performance, 0-60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, design, minimalist elegance, retractable soft top, and timeless Ferrari style. The Roma Spider blends modern luxury with the soul of classic Ferrari performance. Engine 4.0L twin-turbo V8 co-developed with Mercedes-AMG, power 656 horsepower.